Ever wanted to hatch your own yabbies at home? Now you can, with a system that allows users to automatically hatch and harvest hundreds to thousands of baby yabbies. Introducing the DIY Yabby Hatchery Kit. The Yabby Hatchery Kit allows users to build their own and hatch at home. It's perfect for stocking yabbies in your farm dam or a fun family project. How it works. It's a self-contained system, recycling water, providing your yabbies with aeration, keeping your water fresh while your yabbies hatch and develop. Plus, you can hatch 500 to 3,000 yabbies for your family's enjoyment, for recreation, or for self-sufficiency. With the Yabby Hatchery Kit, you'll experience it quickly harvest thousands of yabbies, create an endless supply of yabbies for your farm dam or grow tank, and have a delicious and nutritious food source as part of self-sufficiency. Sound exciting? Get your DIY Yabby Hatchery Kit today and start hatching. Order now.